Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin' and I'm back with another video. Today I'm coming to you guys with the April base box from Boxycharm, and it comes with 5 full-size items. You get to choose one. Yeah, you get to choose one item out of this. We finna hop into this box. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's hop on into this box. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe on your way in or out. Doesn't make me no difference, but I appreciate it so much. So let's hop into this box and see what Boxycharm got going on. Let's see what they got going on, because woo. Let's see what they got going on. So you guys do know that they have a theme every month, and this month's theme is Boxy Spring. What is it? Revival? Yeah. Boxy Spring Revival. And you guys do know that they have the name of the items and the prices on the back. The first thing I'm gonna pull out the box is this Christoph Robin, which I received already, okay? Which I received already. It is a instant volumizing leave-in mist. If you guys don't know, I do not like receiving hair products. I done said it a million times, but I keep getting them, and it is what it is. So I just, and this is my second. This is my second one. I just received this last month. Like was it last month? I just received this last month, or maybe the month before. Anywho, that's that. And that right there is going for $39. Okay. The next item in the box is the Lucky Chick, which I already received also last month. And that right there is going for $22. Very pretty metallic shade, actually. I got it in rose quartz as well. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't want to do that, because I already got one open. That is that. Ipsy sent me a mess, or Boxycharm ended up sending me a message, and they said that they sent me $12, or they gave me $12 for the drop shop, and they apologized for sending me one duplicate item, but it was actually 2 duplicate items. And if you guys, y'all know, I don't understand. You guys know that you send duplicate items. I don't want you guys as $12. I don't even want you guys' money. I just want a different product. Y'all got millions and millions of products. I don't understand. You guys have a list of items not to send us. So you guys just throw it in the box and say, hey, we just gonna get them some hush money, like get them a couple of little dollars so they'll be cool. They can go buy some items out of the. No, we don't want to. Me personally, I don't want to go buy items at a y'all shop. I just want you guys to not send me duplicate items. So can we do that? I would love that. I would love for you guys not to send me duplicate items. It's like the 3rd, 4th, 5th month. Like, I don't understand. And at this point, all I can do is laugh. So that is it. And I know I seem really bitchy. I get it. I do. But it's only because you pay your money for a box. And why would I don't want to pay money. I don't want to pay money for a box and receive duplicate items. I just don't. And I feel as if I have that right to feel that way, along with anybody else. So moving on. All right, the next item in the box is the beautiful foundation. And this is by Anastasia. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I was very, very happy to receive this. This item right here is going for $38. And this is a water-resistant liquid foundation that creates a luminous natural finish. The radiant formula delivers long wearing, medium coverage, yet still feels so lightweight and looks ultra fresh. Luminous foundation blurs any imperfections without caking and masking the skin's natural radiance. It looks so great on its own. There's no need to set it with powder. So I love Anastasia Beverly Hills. Y'all already know, and if you don't know, now you know. I love it, and this was definitely my shade. It seemed like a little dark, just a teeny bit dark, but definitely my summer shade. And y'all know the sun is coming up and out. It's getting closer to summer, so I'm digging this. I'm loving this. This made the box right here. This made the box. I figured, you know what, I can't even complain no more. I can't even complain. I can't even send them, I'm not even gonna send them no message. This made the box right here. This made the box so well worth it. But again, I already got, it makes the box, it make you so unhappy because I already got these 2 items. So why would you guys send me 2 items when y'all know I already got them? I don't get it. So that is that. The next item in the box is this, what is this? It's a Glacier Clay Cleanser, and this is going for $45, and this is new to Boxy. So it says it helps the removal of makeup, environmental pollutants, and dead facial skin cells. So we definitely gonna get that a try. And then our final item in the box is the Item Beauty right here. And this is is this the lash neck? Where is it at? Yep. And this is the lash neck. And I have one of these, but I did buy this on my own. So this was not a duplicate item. I like this mascara. And I know, like I've seen some reviews on the mascara, a lot of people don't like it, which is fine. Everybody different. But for me, it doesn't give volume. It lengthens them, you know what I'm saying? I love it, and you can definitely use it. As a matter of fact, I use it today. I really like it because it makes my eyelashes, the little ones that I got, I don't know, it just makes it doesn't make it fuller, but it definitely, you know, it makes it longer, if I'm making sense. Y'all know I don't speak the makeup lingo because I don't even know what I'm talking about, so. But yeah, it definitely lengthens them. It makes my lashes longer because I have really small, short lashes. It doesn't thicken them at all. So if you're looking for like a thickness with the mascara, you're not gonna get that with this. But I definitely like this mascara. It seemed like it's a small brush, and I definitely use them for my bottom lashes, and it works. Okay, it works. So yeah, I was the mascara is really good. So that's it, you guys. That is it for this video, guys. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me, okay? To me, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all for real. Thank you guys so much for watching. And even if you don't hit the like button, that is okay. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for being here with me. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. If I forgot anything, please charge to the game and not my heart. I thank y'all so much. I do. I thank y'all so very much. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. I am Evil Trippin'. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.